Hi everyone, and welcome back. It's James. Today I have a box of lenses for my smartphone. Let's check them out. Yeah. The brand is Mpow. Mpow. M Lens V1. Macro lens, wide angle, fisheye. .36 times wide angle, 180-degree fisheye, 20 times macro lens. I'm just going to open it. How to get a better user experience. Clip-on design, easy to use. Okay. There's a cloth for wiping the lens, and there are 3 of the lenses. Okay. It says for mobile, phone, and notebooks, PC, and iPad. Removing the cover. Can you see that? It says 20 times macro. This one says, this says 0.36 times super wide angle. Nice. And this one, this one is the fisheye lens, 180 degree. Now to test them. This is my iPhone 6 Plus. Okay, let's try the fisheye. This is without the fisheye, and this is with the fisheye. I can position it this way or this way. Let me take a picture. Indeed, it is a fisheye. Okay, next. This is the 20 time macro. Let's try it. Let's do the before and after. This is before. Somehow this macro one isn't working for me. I noticed there's a flower on the clip, so this is for close-up shots, but it's not working. You're supposed to see super fine detail. Okay, on to the next lens. This one is the 0.36 times super wide angle lens. This is before, and this one is after. Wow! Nice, I'm gonna have fun playing with this one. Well, that's it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give me a thumbs up and like and subscribe to my channel. Bye, guys.